Can you hear me? If you can hear, you can type 1. Hi. Okay. It's my great honor to take this opportunity to introduce our company. Our company is Perfect Laser. We, let me show you some. Oh, sorry. Let me show you a video. This is our front door. This is our office, and this is the honor wall. And you can see it's our sales team. Our sales team. This is meeting room, and this is engineer, and this is workshop. You can see. This assembling machine. You can see each step we pay special attention to it to guarantee every procedures are correct and stable. So to make our machine quality stable, you can see it's our lead factory. You can see the very beautiful factory, and each worker is very sophisticated. Is the test of our laser marking machine. And this is the dot marking machine, the CO2 laser engraver, and the cutter. And this is the fiber laser cutter. You can see this is a big machine to cut fabric, to cut the metal with 1000 watts. Each design you import it in the machine and it cut for you. This is the wheel router. You can see this is engraving the metal. Oh, this is our whole kit. See? Okay. This is marking, fiber laser marking on the coated metal. This is dot marking machine. It's our showroom with the letter bender for the advertising field. Hi. Who is in this? Sorry, I can't see your name. But welcome to our lab show. You can see our factory with many kinds of machines. This inkjet printer for the fly marking solution. This fiber laser marking. Okay, this is our front door. If you have visited our factory, you can see it. What we show, you can see it. It's the real, it's our front door. Okay. Okay, you have a general online interview of our factory. Now you can see we are professional manufacturer of the industry laser machine since 1995. Till now, we have over 20 years history in the laser field, and our main products including the laser marking machine, laser cutting machine, laser welding machine, laser cleaning machine, and more than 20 series with 300 types. All the machines are got CE at ISO ROHS certificate and certified by the well-known international inspection institutions such as TUV and SGS. Let me show you. This is our CE certificate. So for the Europe country, they will need it to custom clearance. You can see the CE certificate. This is the ROH certificate. It proves our machine is eco-friendly, no harmonize. You see, and this is the gold supply certificate. Certificate, and it is certified by the SGS. You see, SGS is well-known international inspection institution. You can see SGS is the gold supplier. Okay, and so this is our certificate to the machines. So don't worry if you want to import our machine. We can handle order like CO. If you want original certificate, we can also make it for you. So don't worry, you can buy our machine safely because we have sold machine over 180 countries like Germany and Korea and Italy and Australia, New Zealand, and Turkey, UAE, and all kinds of factories, all kinds of countries. Okay. Besides the certificate, and we have got 63 patents. Let me show you patents. Oh, sorry. It's in the other cell. Okay. Anyway, we have 63 national patents. The core technical achievements can reach the international levels. As a result, our product has been exported and got very good reputation from the customers. Our talented team, 95% of our teammates are bachelor or master degree, and we can provide 2-hour quick response and 24 hours after sales service to customer. So some customer may worried about what if I bought machine and the machine is not working or have some issues. How we can do for you? So after you bought machine, if you have any kind of problems like you don't know how to use it, you don't know how to install it, even you saw our training video and you saw the printed manual, you still find it hard. So you can come to us, you can email us, you can call us, and we will respond to you quickly and offer you engineer service for you to. Hi, friend. Just come on. Hello, friend. Welcome to our live show. Okay, a new friend coming. So don't worry about after-sales service because we, after so many years, over 25 years. What's the price? One of the customers now is asking about the price. We will send you the price in the email. You can. For now, we are making the live show for the fiber laser marking machine, and we have the promotional price for the 20 watt, 30 watt, and 50 watt. So if you are interested, we will send you the details with the quotation. Don't worry. Okay, now we have introduced our after-sales service. So when you get a machine, you don't know how to use the machine, you can come to us, and we offer you the 24 hours after-sales service to you until we guide you to handle the machine well, and you don't worry about nobody help you, nobody support you. Okay, so besides the sales service, our goal is very simple. We just to sell the high quality products at the reasonable price and provide favorable customer service to you. Today, we will introduce different kinds of laser marking machine and guide you how to choose a suitable laser marking machine according to your needs. Okay, in order to thank you for watching, we have prepared the following benefits to you, and let me show you. Okay, you can see if order over 7,000, and you will get 100 discount US dollar, and if order over 3,000 US dollar, you will get discount 50 US discount. So it's a great discount. And also the most favorable one is the warranty. Normally, normal order only got a 12 months warranty, but if you ordered in our live show, you will double it. You will get 24 months. You will get 24 months warranty. This is very benefit for you. You can get 2 years, 24 months warranty for your machine, and just ordered here. Okay. And if you like our live show, you will click here, follow us. You will learn how to choose the machine, all kinds of machine, not just the laser marking machine. We will have many shows for other machines. And if you like our live show, you can give us more likes and support our work. Thank you. And if you need catalog, you can click here. You can get all kinds of tech catalog of the different machine you want. Hello. Okay. Now, let me show you how the laser marking machine work for you. So you buy machine just for certain purpose, right? So what our machine can do for you? Okay, this is the pen. Some promotional gift will send the pen to customers and will mark their company logo, right? Then you need our laser marking machine. You can see mark your logo. Here's our company name. You can see. So it can mark on the pen. Gift pen. If you do the gift shop. And this is the box. This is the chocolate box. You put chocolate, and you will also want to put your logo and your company name on the package box, right? It's the filmed box, but it can also marked by our fiber laser marking machine. You can see the name and the pattern, different kinds of pattern you can mark on it. You can see this is the package box. Input the chocolate package box. Okay, some customer from the farm, they will need marking the ID tag for their cattle, for their sheep, for their pig, for their cow. They need their ear tag. This is ear tag. It's the plastic. There are a lot of plastic material. So you can see this is the black barcode material. It's the plastic ear tag, and you can see it's marked the barcode, marked your farm name, anything you want to mark. And somebody like the dog, right? This is the dog, the photo, and the dog name, and the number. If your dog got lost, you may want somebody call the number and find you to get your dog. Okay, this is the cute cat, right? It's also the same. The cat image and the cat name and the number, your number. So whenever others saw your cat, they will call you. You can see this is marking, so can mark in some plastic. If you can see different size of the ear tag. You can mark on it with our machine. And fiber laser marking machine mainly marking on metal, all kinds of metal. This is the stainless steel. You can see this stainless steel. It's very shiny. The shiny side, so you can see it like this. This one, no, you can put the picture on it. So the same picture of your company logo, the same picture of the pattern, and the lot number, parts number, or you can mark on it. You can see this, the line is so dedicated. You can see this beautiful lady's pattern. Because it's shining, so it's very hard to see, but you can still see it. Each line is very vivid, right? Okay, it's the shining stainless steel. And someone said, what if this is the coated? It's also the stainless steel. You can see this stainless steel, but it's coated with black. And our marking machine can also mark it. Then you can see on the black background, you can get the white pattern. This is the flower, and this is the fiber laser marking machine marked. You can see this marking. Some name plate also have the same. You can see it marked. It has the QR code. You can also mark the QR code, and you can mark the name card on it. The name card, the phone number, the address, the name card, metal name card. Okay, you can see this one is also the metal, the pattern. It's very dedicated pattern. You can see the line is so many lines, so dedicated. You can see it. It's a cartoon image. You can see this big size logo. You can also mark on it. And okay, this one is the aluminum, because the fiber laser marking machine can mark all kinds of metal. Some customers still have no idea what kinds of metal. We have introduced before the stainless steel is the main stainless steel, the coated stainless steel, the carbon steel, mild steel, and now this is the aluminum, the coated with black, aluminum alloy. You can see this marking is the line draw. Even each line is so dedicated, so fine, but it's still marked vivid. You can see this is our yellow crane, yellow tower. You can see marking on the aluminum is also okay. And let me show you this. This one is also the same. So if you want to mark the cartoon pictures for the permanent saving, you can also use our fiber laser marking machine. Okay, this is the big one. So you can see how big and how dedicated. You can see this. It's the line. It's a white with many white line. And let me show you another. So you can just adjust the marking pattern in the software, then you can get another picture. You can see it's not white, it's just a line. Just a line drawing, but the silver dedicate the same pattern. You can see different effect. So the machine just adjust in the software, then you'll get another picture. Okay, and this is also marking temporary parking lot. You can see it's also the aluminum and marking the white color on the coated. Okay, let me see who is. Okay, you can see this is also marking, and this is the carbon steel. You can see it's very thick carbon steel, but it also marked the big size logo and the pattern on it. You can see big size. This one is also the aluminum. It's like a door handle. You can also mark on it. It's very thick. You can see it's very thick. Aluminum alloy. You can also mark on the black coating surface and very delicate. The fiber laser marking machine marking it permanently, and you can't erase it. You can see scratch and nothing on it. It's permanent forever, like forever. And some customer may said, I want mark on the rotary or column material. Is it okay? Yes. You can see this. You can see this. This is the tube size. Just equipped with the rotary trunk. You will mark on it. And also the thermal cap. You can see some customer may ask about the tumbler, the thermal cap, the big logo. You can see the big logo on it. It's the curved surface, but with the rotary, you can still mark the big logo, your logo on it. And even on the cap, you can see this is the dedicated pattern. You can mark on top. It's the stainless steel, marked on stainless steel. And this is the silicon type kitchenware, the spoon, the big spoon, and it can also marking your logo on it. And this type of some plastic can mark by the fiber laser marking machine. Well, some plastic can mark by the UV laser marking machine, and the UV laser will be more fine and smooth for the laser marking. And the glass. Some customer want to mark on the glass. So what laser can do for you is for marking the glass, the CO2 laser or UV laser will marking on it. This is marking by the UV laser. You can see the marking, our company logo, and other texture on it. This is the glass. Also, okay, most customers are doing the jewelry industry. They want to mark on the gold, silver, ring, and bracelet. You can see marking on it. It can mark outside or marking inside, especially the finger ring, that kind of thing. You want to mark inside, outside is also okay. And like some patterns, you can see the stainless steel pattern This is the cat. This is the cat. You can see. This is the cat. Okay, this is also the pattern. Small pattern for your dog. For dog, you can see. For dog. So, if you are doing the jewelry marking, you can use our machine to mark customer's name or wedding date or any kinds of letters on it. This is our 5-laser marking machine work for you. Okay, there are a lot of other patterns we have tested for test the mailing thing for customer. If you still worried, not sure, you can send the materials to us. We marking for you. It's totally free. Just send the material to us, and we mark for you to show you the testing video and the testing result. Then you will know if our machine is right for you, and then if you are satisfied with the marking effect, then you can order from us. Okay. Now, after finishing the samples, you will know our 5-laser marking machine have a great use for your business, because you need marking logo on your product to promote your company. And now, let me see. Okay, now let me show you what machine. This machine, you can see behind this is the handheld 5-laser marking machine. Let me show you this one. The machine have the control box. This is the control box inside. It's the head. Somebody call it the laser marking head. Inside it has the scanner, and below it has the field lens. Field lens can decide the work size for you. Some customer may want a 100 by 100 marking size, or 200 by 200 marking size, or 300 by 300 marking size. Some customer even want 600 by 600, 900 by 600. So we all can make for you. And this is handheld. This one is portable. You can hold it. Let me see. Now it's fastened, but actually you can hold it to where you want to mark. Some customer may have the large spare parts, and you can't put the whole machine on it. You can hold that and the marking on it. And this one is the UV laser marking machine. This is the UV laser, and this is the conveyor belt. Because some customers want to use the automatic marking, they don't want to put too much labor force on it. So they equipped with the conveyor to save the time and improve the efficiency of the work. Okay, now we also have the classic mode. This one is our best sell desktop 5-laser marking machine. Almost 80% of the customer will choose this type because it's desktop, it's very small size, and it can mark for you. Let me show you how it's working. You can see this working video. It's marked. You can see this marking. On the stainless steel, I have shown it. This is the road wheel that you put It's the rotary chunk. You can see it's marking on round object. You can see how it's marking. This is the machine. This ruler scaler to help you find the right focus length. And then you can mark on your parts. Let me show you. Okay. Okay, this is the marking sample we have shown you before. So you can see marking ring, marking some metal parts, and like a hardware cage. This is for car light indicator. You can see it can also work. And you can see this is some plastic marking. This is the plastic. And this is the bird ring. And this is the kitchenware spoon. This is the metal part. You can see it's of good quality output beam. It's highly reliable. It can carve both on metal material and some non-metal material like some plastic. The marking area is mostly finely. You can mark on the electric products, metalware, watches, jewelry, etc., and some plastic button and other graphic surface. The effect on bitmap marking is particularly outstanding. Okay, now let's see the product details. You can see the first is the laser source. Laser source is the very key point for the whole machine. It's like brain in a machine. You can see this is the fiber laser source, and this is the digital gavel, not the laser scanning head. The head, you can see I showed you before. This is the head. The head is inside is the digital galvanometer scanning head. It's fast response and can realize high-speed marking and high precision. This determine and this now. And this one is the control box. It's inside control system. You can see it has a control board, EasyCAD, the software, and the fourth is the red light pointer, because the fiber laser is invisible, so you need a red pointer to guide you if it is marking on the right position. So the right pointer will help you this. It's equipped in the machine. And this, the five part is the lifting handle. The lifting handle, you can adjust the distance between the marking head and the object, make the marking easily. So if you can see, for example, if you mark this is very thin, right? It's very thin. If the focus length is fixed, you need to adjust to the correct size. But if you want to mark this one, this is the thinner than this one. So this size is changed. So you want to keep the same focal length, you have to adjust up a little to get the right focus length, then you can mark. So this is how it works. This is the lifting handle and the ruler scale, how to adjust the correct size. You can see it has the ruler measurements. So if you marking one batch of the thing, you set ready and then mark this hole. And if you change another batch of spare parts with the sinker size, then you have to adjust according to it. And the seventh part is the portable handle. So you can hold the machine very easily. The eighth part is the software. Because this machine is the desktop. It won't include the computer. You have to use your own computer. We send the software inside the U disk and also together with the training video and some calibration parameter inside. So when you get the machine, you can insert our U drive, U disk into your computer, unpack the software, install the software inside, and hook up the machine. Then you can marking with the machine. Okay, so this is the main feature of the fiber laser marking machine. So fiber laser marking machine can have the good marking result because it's the fiber laser, have high precision and is high speed, high efficiency. It significantly improve the marking quality in the same time, accelerate users' return of investment. And the high rate of electro-optical convergence, you can see this, because it uses the light and the exchange, because it use light to mark and don't have other consumables. And it's integrated structure, so you can see the desktop is small size. You can put it on your desk and save your space. Okay, this is the advantage of our machine. You can see. First, it's low cost in use. You can see it's no wearing parts. No other consumables. It's like the inkjet printer, you have to change the cartridge or buy the ink and solvent, that kind of things. There's no consumable. You just need this machine, and this machine can work 8 or 10 years to you, and you don't need to buy the extra parts. And it's high speed. You can see the fiber laser with the imported scanning system making marking speed to 7,000 millimeter per second. It's very fast speed because laser is very fast, and it's high precision. What's the high precision? It can reach to 0.0002, very fine. Even the very tiny fine line, you can see it is marking. You can see this one. How tight this line is. It still mark very precision. Each is vivid. You can see. It's very dedicated. And it's energy saving. You can see. This machine just uses electricity, so you don't need other energy to this machine. And this machine is high reliability because the laser source can use the 8 to 10 years, like 100,000 hours, and the machine is like the small size, like I said before, its desktop is very small, or just 0.5 cubic meter. So if your workshop is not big, just hold it on the desk. It won't take you too much space. And it's easy operation. You can see, just we have the training video, and if you are difficult for after you saw the training video, we have customer even saw the training video and still hard to get that machine works, you can come to us, and we have the group meeting, video meeting, and our engineer guide you step by step how to mark, and until you can handle the machine well. So don't worry. And you can see machine have 10 years long lifetime. Machine cooling. Some other factory may use the plastic fan to save the cost. Well, you can see the plastic fan can't use very long time, and the cooling effect may lower than that metal fan. You can see. Okay. You can see this is the machine marking effect, because different quality, different price, also different marking result. You can see this is other ordinary marking effect. This is our perfect laser marking effect. You can see by the marking on plastic. Ordinary just got the dark color, and the surrogate edge, the edge is not smooth, and the rough surface. Well, use our perfect laser marking machine, you will get high contrast on color, neat edge, the edge is very neat, and the surface is also smooth. Okay, it's marking on thin material sheet, we have the contrast. For the other ordinary fiber laser marker, it will have serious deforming on marking. Well, use our perfect laser marking machine, you will see there's no deformation, so no damage to the material. And the heat effect on metal marking comparison, you can see is because laser is also the energy have the heat effect, is the heat effect marking. You can see with the ordinary marking, you can see the large heat effect and the mild splash on the edge, Well, with our perfect laser marking machine, almost no heat effect, and you can see the edge is fine result. Okay, and for the marking speed, the light off time, you can see other ordinary fiber laser marking machine take longer time for turning laser off to lower marking efficiency. You can see the different marking effect. Well, use our perfect laser, you get the very short time of the laser off with the high marking efficiency. So you can see the different machine quality got different marking result, and so the price is different. Okay, again, this is the coupon. If you ordered it in our live show, you will get, this is, if order over 7,000, you'll get 100 discount. If order over 3,000 US dollar, you'll get 50 discount. It's the special discount for you. Also, this is the big part. Because normal order, if you order offline, you only get 12 months warranty. But if you order online, you'll get 24 months. It's double. The warranty time double. It's very important for someone who use the machine, because they double the warranty time. If some customer care about the warranty, so it's good opportunity to order here. Okay. Now let me introduce another type of fiber laser marking machine. It has the desk, has a computer. Because some customers don't want to use their own computer, they also need the desk, so they can choose this big fiber laser marking machine with the desk. and with the computer. Normally, jewelry laser marking machine will choose this type with 50 watt to marking their jewelry. Okay, let's see what this 5 laser marking machine's features, and it's the same because the laser source is the same for the desk, whether it's the desktop or with the desk, the floor type. It uses the same laser source, and the machine all can use 8 to 10 years without no consumable and easy maintenance. And this type is just you don't need to install the software because it's equipped with the computer. Before shipping, we have already installed the software and adjust well the parameters. So when you get the machine, you just plug and play, just use it. You do not do anything, because some customer may have trouble to unpack the software or install software. You know, in computer there are a lot of things happen. Some normal software even hard to install, or different system, operating system that cause the install not okay. So with the computer, now all the problems solved. You do not worry about that. Just open the machine and turn on the computer, import your logo and the marking. Okay, the marking sample, because the laser source is the same, so the marking sample is also can be marked on the metal, on some plastic. You can see marking on the life, marking on the hardware, marking on the plastic, and this one also marking on the pen. Jewelry is the same. Okay. Okay, this is the parts of this floor type, because you can see the computer display and the marking switch, and this is the industry computer inside the control box, and also have the lifting switch and the ruler scale and the laser marking head. It's just similar to the desktop, just have the computer, have the table. So it's very easy. Let me show you the work video so you can know better of this type of machine. You see it's marking on the ear tab. You can see marking the large number and the barcode on the plastic. Some plastic material like TPU and other type of, you can see it's marking very fast for the large size, and it's black color. The color is very dark. You can see this is the radio frequency ID, right? You can see it's marking. Okay. The marking on the ear tab. You can see this table. This is have the vacuum absorption workbench. It's safe and beautiful. And inside is the switch power supply, and have the universal wire. So it can put it to everywhere. You want to go to another workshop, you can push it, just one person can do it. Push it to the other place. It also have the digital high-speed scanning head, the same like the desktop. And its marking switch is on the desktop, is on the desk. You can see the marking switch, easy to operate. Also, the professional marking software is installed in the computer, and it's friendly interface because it's English version. Some customer may want, I want Spanish, I want a Russian language. Can you do it? Yes. If you order over 10 sets of machine, we can do it. Or if you have your language package, you can send to our. We can send to you for proofreading, and then we can install it in our software, and so can make the language package possible. And the software it support Windows 7 and Windows 10 operation system, and also Windows XP. And what type of file did the software support? Many support are DXF or PLT, this format. And you can see the other is the similar like the desktop, like the fiber laser head, lifting handle, and just has the industry computer and the PC monitor holder fixture. So you can get this for the floor type. So this is the main parts of it, and you can see this is the exhaust fan. We use the metal fan, air cooling, and also the advantage is just the same because the machine shape is different, and with the Astro computer and the Astro desk. Others are the same for the desktop, like low cost, high speed, high precision, 0.002 millimeter, and energy saving, high reliability, can use 8 to 10 years. You don't need to change anything during these years. No consumable, and easy operating, and it's air cooling. So this is the advantage. Okay. Now let's see this type. This have the longer pole. You can see it stand. It don't have the desk, but it has longer pole. What is this machine used for? This machine is used for the production line. Some customer want to marking on the movable conveyor belt, so they need the longer. That machine stand by the production line and marking the parts as the parts pass by. So they have used this type. This is the fiberglass flying marking. Marking sample is also the same because the fiberglass marking machine can mark on most all metal material like carbon steel, mild steel, and aluminum, brass, galvanized sheet, and some plastic like plastic PC, and even some wood. Even some paper box. Like I showed you before, the paper box, the package box. I showed you before this. And let's show you how this machine works for you. You can see this is the machine working. It's stand by the production line. You can see marking on the metal can, and the marking when the marking on the line, on the cable, when the material is moving, is marking, right? You can see it's marking very fast. Marking your company logo, part lot number, Even the different language you can mark on it. You can see. Okay. Let's see what's the difference of this machine. Product detail. First, the main part is the laser source. Every fiber laser marking machine needs the laser source to work. And this part is the same for each laser marking machine. And the difference is this one is use the LCD screen. The software is installed in the LCD screen and is screen touch screen. The marking speed, power, frequency, all can be adjusted on this LCD screen. So this is compact. You don't need a computer. It's just operated on the LCD touch screen. So this is the touch screen. And the high-speed galvo laser marking head, the speed can reach to 8,000 millimeter per second. So this is fast type. And the high quality annoy case is a control box inside. And the power laser beam blade. The laser beam was equipped with the lifting handle because the lifting pole is very longer. So the shaft will have the, let me see, shake hand wheel. Operation is also simple. And the meter counter, because how the machine know when to mark and when the material move to the right side. This is the meter counter. It's specially used for the cable and the pipe marking. It can count the distance between each marking because some cable and the tube factory will need mark specific on the same distance, so they need the meter counter to help to identify the right position. And have the rolling wheel, universal wheel design. You can see this. So it's movable on different production line. After this production line finishes, you can go to another production line, or you can buy extra machine. If you have like some customer, we have customer have 8 production line, so he bought 8 machines for each line. Okay, you can see we also can equip the conveyor belt if you want. You can see the different size of conveyor belt, different shape. You can see if you want the conveyor belt, you can buy from us together with the machine. So this is the conveyor belt. This is the customer visit our factory. You can see they're inspecting our machines. You can see this and this. Okay, you can see it's with the conveyor belt. Our standard conveyor belt size is 1.5 meter by 0.2 by 0.8 meter. This is the big conveyor belt. And some customer may need the small conveyor belt like this. Put on the machine. They don't have the lap, they hard the lap. Put on the machine. This is the compact one. We can also equip for you if you need this type. Oh, sorry. Okay. Now the production features, you can see. It has a long and economic lifetime. Like we said before, the fiber laser marking machine can work 8 to 10 years without consumable, without any other maintenance. and low energy consumption because they just use electricity. They don't need anything else when you're marking. So it's very energy saving. And it is air cooling. It's air cooling. Because some other machines may need water cooling. Auto cooling may stable, but air cooling is compact and very easy handle. And this is the LCD touchscreen control screen. Controlled. So no need computer, just all the work done by touchscreen on the LCD. And it's maintenance-free design. Once you set ready the all the parameter and start working, the machine can work automatically, and you don't need anybody stand by to do it. Just let it run their own. And it also have the foot pedal process and the marking software, particularly designed. The marking software, well, this marking software is different from the previous five-laser marking machine because it's used on the moving type. With the LCD, it's installed in the LCD screen. It's together. Different. It's different from the CAD. Well, if you need easy CAD, we will equip for you. There's a easy CAD flying system, a different software. You just tell us your request, we can equip for you. And this is the technical parameter for the machine. You can see for the fly marking machine, normally the laser power needs to start with 30 watt because some customer may need what about the 20 watt, what about 10 watt? The 10 watt, 20 watt are very slow, and you want for the machine can catch up with your high speed production line, you need at least 30 watt. Some customers even need the 50 watt because the high watt, the faster speed. And the marking arrows, because fine marking is very fast, they can mark at least 2 lines, just 100 by 10 and 100 by 10 millimeter is enough. And the marking speed is 250 characters per second. So it's enough for marking the lot number and the date, expiry date, manufacture date. And the minimum character size is 0.25 millimeter, 0.25 millimeter for each small character. You see? You can see marking this small size. You can mark biggest word. This is the marking size, the smallest. And the minimum line radius is 0.015 millimeter. The minimum line radius. And its cooling is air cooling. And the power consumption is only 0.5 kilowatt. It's very energy saving. And the bitmap format, you can see it supports BMP, JPG, PNG, TIF, PCX, TGA, ICO, PNG, GIF, PLT. This format are supported for the fly marking. You can see this parameter. Okay. Okay, now again it's the coupon. Let me show you. If you ordered over 7,000 US dollar, you'll get 100 discount. If order over 3,000 US dollar, you'll get 50 discount. And the big one is this, is the warranty time doubled. If you order Offline only get 12 months warranty, but if you order here, order online, you will get in this live show you will get 24 months. You get 24 months. It's double. It's very big favorite. And okay, now let me introduce this machine. This handheld fiber marking machine. It's the same machine behind me. You can see it with the handle. Okay, you can see. Let me show you the work video. How this machine work for you. You can see import file, open software, and you can hold the laser head and marking where you want to mark. You see, it's very fast and very easy. You see, if you want to mark this part, this side, you can also mark because it's movable. So very convenient. This is our handheld fiber laser marking machine with the portable handheld laser head. You can see how it works. It can mark. Some customers use this to mark on the stainless steel. Some customers even use this one to mark on their tire. Not tire, the rubber tire. It can also mark. The main feature of this machine you can see is the simple operation, the high rate electrical optical conversion, and perfect marking effect because it uses laser and is very dedicated, and high speed, high efficiency. This is all the character of the laser, the fiber laser marking machine. And advantage is also the same as the previous fiber laser marking machine, like low cost, low free maintenance, no consumable, high speed, high precision, energy saving, high reliability, and easy operation and 10 years longer lifetime, and no consumable air cooling is the similar. The marking sample, because it uses the same laser source, so the marking sample is like we showed you before. The carbon steel, the stainless steel, the copper, jewelry, metal, all kinds of metal, and some plastic, all kinds of plastic, ear tag, and like a rubber tail can also mark. So this is the fiber laser marking machine mark for you. So what's some product detail for this machine? Okay, the same one, the laser source. All the fiber laser marking machine use the same, the laser source. And the different type is this, the laser head is handheld type. It can move away from the machine body, and you can hold this one to mark everywhere you want to mark. Mark on the floor, mark on the wall, direction you can mark. And the control system is also use the EasyCAD, and JCZ is also the same name because it's the Chinese name in short, but the English name is the EasyCAD. And also have the red pointer, and have the 3D work table because some small parts they need the 3D work table, and the laser power supply, and the purple handle. This is the extra part for this machine with the handheld type. Let you marking everywhere you want to mark. You just hold this head and point to the position you want to mark. And the detail is, you can see this is the emergency stop. This is the red button, emergency stop, and the key switch, and the main switch, because it has a lot of buttons. You have to. This one, also the software. You can use your own computer, install the software, and import your marking contents inside, and then handheld your marking head to where you want to mark, and then mark. Okay, this is our 5 laser marking machine, 4 types. And now you can see our quality control system. It's our engineer. We have the incoming quality control. All the material they come in. We have the inspection, and we have the input process control, quality control, and we also have the final inspection, quality control. 3 quality control can make the machine work perfect for you and make the machine quality is stable, less trouble, less issue. You can see the 48 hours running test and the 72 hours aging test. There's so many process to make you get the stable and good quality machines. The good quality machine will save you a lot of trouble, and you do not have many issues, and you will work very efficiently with the stable machine. And this is our customer show, our engineer. Before the COVID-19, our engineer, we also offer the overseas engineer training or help for the customer. This is our engineer to the customer. You can see they solve the problem on site, they help them in store, they help them solve the problem, and get the training for them. You can see. But now, due to the COVID-19 order, all the technical support are shipped to the online. But don't worry, we still give you all the help online until you solve the problem, until the machine works for you. And now, this part is the after-sales service we can provide for you. You can see, normally the guarantee time is 12 months from the date on which the commodity arrives at the point of destination. Except the damaged artificially and conventional consumables, Perfect Laser will be responsible for offering the fitting free of charge during the guarantee period. Well, please kindly send back the damaged fitting to us before we send back the alternative fitting parts. It's like when you get the machine and some small parts are malfunction. After our engineer checked, it's our problem. We will send you totally free the spare parts to you. And if these parts are damaged by your side, and you can buy the spare parts for us. If over the warranty time, like some of our customers bought our machine and use it over 5 years or 7 years, their spare parts got damaged. They need the extra, they need to replace. They come to us, and we still offer the spare parts. Just order from us, and we still offer the spare parts. It's not either like other factories. Once they sold, the customer always told us something that they can't respond to their problems. They can't offer any spare parts for them because they just do the one-time sale. So it's not very good. But trust us, we are trustful, we are responsibility manufacturer. We care about the customer. We care about our brand reputation. So you will be safe to buy from us, to get after sale from us. And we also will give the tactic guide by the WeChat online meeting to help you the problem of in-store and the problem of how to operate the machine, how to adjust the parameter, how to maintain the machine. So don't worry about this problem after you got the machine. You don't know how to do. We can help you. We can help you until you can handle the machine well. And some customer may need the operating manual and the training video. We have printed English manual together with the machine when we ship to you, and also the English training video inside the U-Disc. You can see the printed manual and the U-Disc together with the machine. We take the picture for you, so to make sure all the things inside the packing, and when you get the machine, you will get this. And even some customer inspection may cause the file missing. We can send the training video to you by online email, and don't worry about this. And the e-cat and the e-manual to you. So, and we also have got the professional marking software. Even the EasyCAD have many different type of edition, compact type, and the full type, and some may use the lockoff type. But trust us, we use the original licensed software for you to guarantee all the functions are work for you. This is our guarantee. And we also have the operation marking software backup inside the U-Disc. And if you're missing, or you reinstall your computer and all the files are gone, don't worry, you can email us. We send the original software to you by email. And quick and long life after sales service and the consulting service to user. You know, some customers use our machine over 10 years and still using our machine is very well. And some customers repeat the orders from us all these years. And we have in this field over 25 years. You can see over all these long years we still living and living very good. That's why, and our sales record is growing every year. So don't worry about the after sales service, because we are here. We're always here for you and support you. And here, why choose Perfect Laser? You can see, because first is we have over 25 years in this laser field. It's a long history with the sophisticated engineer and after sales service, and the machine stable quality guaranteed. You get the right machine and get the best service. And the second part is we have the certificate, have the CE, ROHS, ISO, TUV, SGS certified. You can see this is the CE. You can see this is our CE certificate. It's our CE certificate. This is ROHS. Is no hazard certificate. ROHS. And this is a verified Gold Plus supplier assessment. You can see gold supplier, and it's It's issued by the SGS, the famous inspection institution, SGS, you can see, and also Alibaba, you can see, it's our certificate. Okay. And we have export to 108 countries. And we get good feedbacks from customers. And we provide you the full set of solution, one-stop purchasing. Full set of solution is like this. This is we customize for the customer who wants equip the machine with the conveyor and want the conveyor on top of the desk. This we equip. It's the UV laser marking machine. It's marking the cassette, the test kit, plastic test kit. And one-stop purchasing is like if you want the laser marking machine and laser welding machine, laser cleaning machine, that related machine, you can ask us, because some customer may doing the advertising, the sign graphic company, they may need the 3D letter bender, letter welder, and vacuum form 3D letter, and they need to cut wood, cut acrylic, cut metal, cut aluminum. They will need the laser cutting machine. They will need the CNC router. They will need a letter bender. They will need laser welder and laser cleaning also. They can buy from us the group 1, and we will give you a package discount for you. And we also have the 2-hour quick response and 24 hours technical support. You can see. And all our machines have 48 hours running test and 72 hours aging test before shipping to you. So we do a lot of tests to guarantee the machine works stable and the machine quality is stable. So when you get the machine, you will have less trouble for the problems. And we have the 7 to 10 days delivery. Because this mark machine is small, we have many half finished materials, so we can give you the fast delivery time, even 2 days or 3 days. Some customer even ordered yesterday, got the machine ready the other day, very fast. And you can see this. Oh, sorry. One moment. You can see this. This machine, this fiber laser marking machine, is maintenance free, and like I said, we offer engineer support online for you. Okay, this certificate, we have a lot of more certificates together when you read. Again, let's do. You can see this is our bonus time. If you ordered over 7,000, you will get 100 discount, and if you ordered over 3,000, you will get 50 discount. Also, the warranty time is doubled because offline order only have 12 months warranty, but if you order here, order in the live stream, you will get 24 months warranty is double. It's very favorable. And if you like our live show, you felt you know our live show will help you learn more about the machine. You can follow us because we have more other machine introduction for you, and we will guide you how to choose the right position at the reasonable price. And if you like our machine, and like our live show, you can click here, like, give our work more support. Thank you. And if you need the catalog, you can click here to get the catalog. And you can also email us or call us, and our sales team will offer you the detailed information like the quotation, the detailed machine catalog, the detailed work video, and even you want to test your material, you can send material to us, and we can make free sample for you, free testing sample for you. See, this is ear tag. Our customers send the material to us, and we test for them. You can see this. And okay, let's see what the customer wants. So if you have any other questions, you can also ask us, and we can offer you solutions. Like if you don't know how to import, or if you need our help for the shipping, you can send the detail to us. We can offer you, because we have our own forwarder, and then we can quote you the shipping cost by sea, by air to you. Like this small machine, or you can just ship by the DHL or FedEx. We can offer you the DHL FedEx cost to you, and it offers door service, so you'll get machine to your door. And thank you so much for watching and your time with us. I believe you must get an overall understanding of how to choose laser marking machine through our live show. And if you like our machine, please feel free to call us to chat online, or send inquiries to us right now. Also, welcome to visit our website to see more videos and the introduction of our fiber laser marking machine. If you want to watch more live show, please remember to subscribe our channel. Like this, you can see, like this. Follow us. This is our channel. Follow us, and this is where you can get the catalog, or you just email to us. We will arrange the sales manager to contact you and answer our questions. Okay, it's time to say goodbye now. Perfect Laser is willing to be your reliable partner for now and forever. Thank you again for your time, and wait for your order, and see you next time. Bye. Okay, so what machine do you want to know? And you can also tell us. We can organize live show for you. Okay. Okay, one moment. Okay, one moment. Let me check some customer. Here are some customers' questions for our fiber laser marking machine, and I choose some questions and answered here. Okay. Let me see. Okay. Some customers want to know how about the marking speed. The marking speed is very fast. It usually can reach to 7,000 millimeter per second. Just take a few seconds to mark a logo on your product. If you need to work with production line, we will also have an online laser marking machine for you to choose. It can mark automatically when the machine comes. And the question, what color can be marked? The laser marking machine can mark white and black color on your, you can see, this is marking the black, and this is marking white and black. Normally the laser has no color. The laser marking is to remove the surface color of your product. If your product is electroplated, the laser will remove the color and reveal the color inside. Like this. This is the coating. This is the coated with the black coating. After our laser marking is pure the black color and reveal the inside this color. Okay, some customer want to see, can it make colorful color? The colorful color can only be made on the stainless steel. Only mark color on stainless steel, and it can mark. We have some. Let me show you some pattern, some color. This is not inside, but it can mark. Can mark yellow, can mark red, can mark blue, that kind of color, but it's only on the stainless steel. Only on the stainless steel can marking the color. And if you want the easy marking, normally this type of normal laser, it can mark color, but it need adjust. It's a little difficult. If you want to easy, some customers may know, use the MOPA laser. The MOPA M7 will mark color on the stainless steel. And the marking, what's the laser source brand? The laser source have many brands. The famous are the Max, the Rakers, the JPG, the IPG, JPT, IPG, that kind of brand. You can choose what you like. And the power have 20 watt, 30 watt, 50 watt, 100 watt. Depends on what you want to mark and your special request. We can help you to choose the correct laser power. And another, one customer asked about what's the difference between the fiber laser marking machine and the UV laser marking machine. Fiber laser marking machine is the hot process marking, and it can mark on metal and some plastic. Well, UV laser marking machine is the cold laser marking. It won't have the splash. It's mainly on the plastic, wood, and glass. It has a wide range of marking scope. And some customer ask about what's the difference between the inkjet printer and the laser marking. Well, as you know, the inkjet printer, the contact printer can be modified because it's not permanent. It uses the ink and the solvent. Some use the cartridge. It can be removed by the cleaning liquid. While the fiber laser marking machine, the marking is permanent. It can't be removed. And the inkjet printer have many consumables, the ink, the solvent, and some cartridge. While the fiber laser marking machine don't have any consumables, it's just a one-time investment and no consumables. And the maintenance, the inkjet printer may have many complicated washing. If you wash not clearly, the nozzle will jam and it can't print and will waste the time. Well, the fiber laser marking machine is very easy. Once you set ready the parameter, it's marking automatically, and you do not need to change anything. No blocking, nothing. And okay, here's customer ask, are you a factory or trade company? Come on, we are manufacturer. We have over 25 years experience in the laser machine field, and some customers ask, where is your factory located? How can I visit? Our factory is located in Hubei province, Wuhan, Optics Valley. And even the President Xi visited Optics Valley in the middle of this year. And welcome to visit us at your convenience. But during the COVID, maybe you can visit us once the COVID policy is convenient. Okay, and one of the customers asked, what's the trade term? Okay, we can offer the FOB, CIF, CRF, EXW. That means if you have your forwarder, we can send the machine. If you have forwarder in China, we can send the machine free of charge to your forwarder warehouse. And if you don't have forwarder, you can use our forwarder, and we can quote you the price for the nearest seaport, airport to you, and you can get the machine at your port. Another customer asked, what's the payment term? We accept the wire transfer, Western Union, Alibaba Trade Assurance. And one of the customer asked, what about the packing? All the packing are comply with the international export standard, and we use the export wooden box, and it's strong and nice packing. Our customers are very happy about our package. We have the feedback for this. If you want, we can show you that. The get the machine well. Okay, and let's see what other questions. Okay, another customer asked, what's the power consumption of the machine? The power consumption of fiber laser marking machine is just 0.5 kilowatts per hour. It's very energy saving. It's 1 hour just cost 0.5 electricity. Only electricity, no other consumables. You don't need to like water, no other things, because it's air cooling. And let's see what other. This customer, What's the working area of the laser marking machine? The standard area is 110 by 110, and if you have other special size, you can ask us, because we can offer 150, 175, 200, 300, and if you need the even bigger, like 600 by 600, 900 by 600, that kind of things, we can customize for you, because we have the electric platform, we have the large size, and even we have the 3D dynamic autofocusing, that type. And what is the software of the laser marking machine? Well, laser marking machine mostly use the software is EasyCAD. It's the English name, and some customer may know that GCZ, that is EasyCAD Chinese name in short. It's the same software, and normally is the EasyCAD 2. It's a professional marking software, and with friendly interface can support many files with different format. And if some customer want EasyCAD 3, that is for the 3D marking, and we can also equip it for you. And another type is, let me see. How about the warranty? Normally our warranty time is 12 months. Well, as I showed you before, if you ordered in the live stream, you will get 24 months warranty. That's doubled the 2 years. So if you ordered here, ordered in the live show, only ordered in live show, you will get 24 months warranty. Normally it's just a 12 months warranty. And what about after-sale service? We are responsible for offering the free parts during warranty time, and after warranty time, the parts will be needed recalled or changed in customer's cost. And we also supply the technical support. If you have any questions, you can email us or you can call us. We have the online group video calling and guide you how to do step by step until you can handle the machine well. And okay. How about the marking effect? The laser marking is a long contact marking. It won't damage the surface of your product. The marking effect is dedicated. It's not only the permanent marking on your product, but also can improve the appearance grade of your product. You can see this. It's rotary marking. It's marking on the surface, very neat and clean. And when you scratch, you can hear scratch. It's still okay. Nothing pure off. And you can see, even you want to mark this tiny line, this dedicated tiny line, you can also use the laser marking machine. It's very tiny, right? So it's very helpful for your business and help to make your product to the good level, to the higher level, and promote your logo, promote your company reputation. Let's see. Still some customer want to, what kind of material can be marked by the fiber laser marking machine? We have showed you many samples before. It can mark on all kinds of metal material. Metals like stainless steel, carbon steel, mild steel, aluminum, galvanized zinc sheet, copper, brass, like this also all kinds of metal, iron, that kind of things. And it can also mark on some hard plastic material. It's the plastic, you can see. It's the ear tag, it's the plastic. And this switch, you can mark on side. This is also plastic. This is also plastic. If you want this mark on this, it's also plastic marking. That fitted. This is the customer send their sample. It's the ear tag, earphone marking. You can see earphone is a plastic earphone. You can mark in their logo. You can see marking their logo. It's very small size. And okay, some plastic, like the bird ring. Let me show you the bird ring. You can see this. This is the This is the bird ring. This is also plastic, all kinds of colorful plastic, the green color, the black color, and the orange color mark the bird ring. It also can mark by the fiber laser marking machine. It's also plastic, you can see. It's also plastic marking. Okay. Let's see. Well, every machine, what's the precaution for the machine? Like the machine, even they don't have the maintenance, you still need to keep clean of the work table, keep clean of the mirror and the focus lens, because some customer factory area is not very clean and will have many dust, and you need to keep the machine clean and keep the lens free of dust. And also check and tighten all the wire every week, and check all the components, make sure these components are in good work condition. So this is just the maintenance. So it's very easy. And okay, so you can see we have introduced you many kinds. We have introduced you the desktop. This model number is 400B desktop type. It's very small size, and we can also show you this type. And this is the floor type. This is the 400D floor type with the computer, with the table. And this type, you can see, is a 400H with the hand-held type. The laser marking head can move everywhere you want because it's hand-held. And we also show this type. This type is 600. It's a flying marking machine used for the production line. And conveyor belt, you can also order from us. We can equip all kinds of conveyor belt and with different size. This is the machine we introduced to you today. And which machine do you prefer? And if you have other special requests, you can also send us. We can offer you the solution. We can customize for you. Some customer may want their own logo. No problem. We can make the machine in neutral, and you can put your logo on it. Okay. Now this question is over. Let me see. Okay, it's really a nice machine. It can mark so many beautiful logo on the side, as I showed you before. This pattern. This pattern is beautiful. This dog tail, this cat tag, dog tag, is padded. It's shiny. It's good. Some customers even ask us to mark on the soldier tag with the soldier name on it. We can also make for you. And this is the brace. You can see the brace marking. Inside, outside, also the ring, the finger ring, the wedding ring, inside, outside, the marking. The thermal cap, this big logo, thermal cap, and this on the cap, is also marking. Okay. So, if you have any other material, you can send us and we can test for you. Okay, so everyone, through the detailed introduction about our laser marking machine, are you interested to have one unit for your business right now? As you can see here, our laser marking machine have got a CE certificate, ROHS certificate, and it means our machine is comply with Euro standard, so it's very safe to buy from us. Here is the certificate. Here is our CE certificate. Our CE certificate. And this is our ROHS certificate. ROHS certificate. And this is our Gold Plus supplier assessment certificate. You can see this is issued by the SGS, the famous international inspection institution, and also Alibaba. You can see this. So you don't worry about the certificate because we have 4 certificates, and also, and if you buy from here, okay, I said before, if you buy from here, if order over 7,000, you will get 100 discount, and if order over 3,000, you will get a 50 discount. The most important is the warranty time the offline warranty time is only 12 months. Well, if you order here, order in the live stream, you will get 24 months. It's double the warranty time. It's very favorable, and we have full confidence that our machine will make you satisfied, and we make sure you will have no worry about the warranty. So you can get the order right now, and we will arrange our sales manager to serve you. Okay. Okay. Thank you so much for watching, and thank you for your time with us. I believe you must get an overall understanding of how to choose our laser marking machines through our live show. If you like our machine, please feel free to call us or chat online or send inquiries to us right now. Also, welcome to visit our website to see more videos and introductions of our products. If you want to watch more live show, please remember to subscribe our channel by click here, follow, subscribe us. If you like our live show, you can click here. Thank you for your like. Okay, it's time to say goodbye now. Perfect Laser will be your reliable partner from now and forever. Thank you again for your time. Wait for your order and see you next time. Bye. 走关呢？